Living good, feeling better.
Fluid holler, where am I?
Hello, you beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea if you're new here. If you're not, thank you so much for clicking on this video. But before I even get into it, I know I look dusty, okay? Like, please don't be in the comments talking about, girl, you look dusty. Like, I know, okay? I know. In this wig, don't even get me started. But today I'm finally filming my makeup unboxing video. I've ordered a lot of makeup recently, and it's because I think I have an addiction. I can't stop going on ABH's website, looking at the Norvina palette. I really want the Norvina Volume 3, like, that's truly all I want. I've been looking at the Morphe 3503 palette, the Carnival XL palette, but it doesn't even matter because I'm broke. I need to stop saying that, I really do, but I don't have sufficient funds for it right now. I ordered a range of different things from these two companies. One of them I found on Instagram. They're called Yalordy, or Yalord lashes. And then I also ordered a whole bunch of things from ColourPop that I've been wanting for a really long time. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the Yalord package first. I actually ordered a lot of stuff from them, so when I saw this come in the mail, I was like, why is it so small? And it comes with a list of things I got. Okay, average stuff. Okay, I ordered some glitter from them, some pink glitter for a look that I've been planning to do. And the thing about glitter is that it gets literally everywhere. Literally everywhere. So I'm scared to open this. Ooh, she pretty. I also got, what is this? This is the gold pigment. I'm struggling. I broke a nail. I can't open it. Yeah, I don't know how to open this. Oh my god.
Yes.
I got these neon pigments. I've been wanting neon pigments for years. I got a stack of 6. I think they were pretty cheap. They're actually all stuck together. So we have the purple here. Ugh, so hard to open. Their stuff is so hard to open. This orange is super pretty too. And there's this neon blue as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy I didn't waste my money. Neon yellow. Yeah, this is dope. This is dope. Or is this green? I think this is like a yellow. Can y'all see this? It's getting all over my hands. Oh my god. There's the neon green. Then the last one is the neon pink. Ooh, she got a little flavor to her. That joint is beautiful. What else did I order? You guys, I don't know if you can see this. It's so gorgeous. It's like a white powder, but it has blue and pink glitter inside of it. Beautiful, beautiful. Am I gonna open this? Yeah, actually, I physically can't. Lashes. I'm gonna do a look on my Instagram. I'm probably gonna wear one of these pairs of lashes with them. So if you're not already, follow me on Instagram, LoveSamosaX. We'll put it on the screen as usual. I am so pressed. Why it look like this? Why does it look like that? These are in Princess. I've been wanting, you know, them big mink lashes for a good minute. These are so extra, and I'm glad. This pair is called Dubai. So shout out to Yalord Cosmetics, or Yalord Lashes, whatever they're called, for sending me these products. Well, I mean, I bought them, but thank you for existing and allowing me to buy your awesome products. Next, we have ColourPop. Oh my god, this is so hard to open. Stupid box. Finally got her open. Look at what they said to me. Oh my god, everything's falling out. Oh my god. Yeah, so I open it and immediately see this. This is why I love ColourPop. I don't know how people aren't fans of ColourPop, because I feel like their products are really good and their packaging is so cute. It says sorry we're late. I think maybe they sent me this because it took them a little bit to process my order and to send it, but I wasn't really mad. I was like, you know, take your time. What is it though? It's an ultra glossy lip. I didn't order that. They just send free stuff. They just sent me free stuff. It's definitely a clearish gloss, and there's like specks of pink glitter in there. So thank you ColourPop for that. I love you. I've never tried their pressed glitters. I believe this is in Hungry Ghost. Something like that. Yeah, it says Hungry Ghost on the back. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna feel like a fairy with this on. This is Luster Dust. I believe this is like a loose highlighter. This is like a pinkish purplish glitter. It's called. Next, I got a blush stick, and I got this in the shade, I think it's More is More. Ooh, this is so pretty. ColourPop, I am in love. It is officially my goal to be on the PR for ColourPop. I love their products so much, like I can't. Not only is it orange, it has like gold undertones, and that. I also got foundation and concealer. I keep buying foundations and concealers and they never match my skin, so I have to keep mixing. And I mean, like, okay, I guess, but I don't want to do that no more. This is Dark 175. Just looking at the bottle, I feel like it matches my skin tone pretty well. I'm probably gonna try this today. I'm really excited for that. I also have this no filter concealer, and this is in the color Dark 42. I love this packaging as well. It just feels bougie, you know? It feels and looks like it's expensive makeup, but it's really not. Like, it's pretty affordable. That's a concealer shade. It kind of does look like a highlight shade. So I'm gonna use this combination today when I beat my face. Hopefully it turns out right. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video because I am so excited to try out all these products. Oh my gosh, I'm finna be a bad. Just wait on it, yo. For the past few weeks, I know I've been looking like a hobo, but it's about to be on and popping. Like, don't even trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at LoveSamosaX. Peace and love.